I'm an HVAC technician with 17 years in the trade, and today we're breaking down two portable air conditioners, the TCL H5P44W and the Whynter ARC-1230WN. Homeowners buy portable units as quick cooling fixes, but the biggest technical difference between these two comes down to how they handle exhaust air and system efficiency. One uses a single hose system while the other uses a dual hose configuration, which fundamentally changes how air moves through your house and how much electrical power gets wasted. The TCL H5P44W relies on a single hose design which sucks conditioned indoor air across its condenser coil and blows it outside. This creates negative air pressure inside the room, pulling warm, humid, unconditioned air in through door cracks, window seals, and floorboards to replace it. The Whynter ARC-1230WN uses a dual hose setup, pulling outdoor air inside to cool the condenser coil before exhausting it right back outside. That balanced airflow prevents warm air infiltration, allowing the equipment to maintain set point temperatures without forcing your house to fight against atmospheric pressure imbalances. Both units utilize single-speed compressors operating on standard R32 refrigerant, meaning they operate on a basic cycling on and off control sequence. However, their efficiency ratings diverge significantly. The TCL carries an energy efficiency ratio, or EER, of 8.1, whereas the Whynter achieves an EER of 12.3. A higher EER means more British thermal units of cooling delivered per watt of power consumed, resulting in lower monthly utility bills during continuous summer operation. Running an EER 8.1 machine draws noticeably more electrical current over a full cooling season to achieve equivalent thermal heat removal. Operating noise directly impacts indoor living space comfort, especially in bedrooms where these units often reside. The TCL H5P44W carries a sound rating of 52 decibels, while the Whynter ARC-1230WN is factory rated at 42.5 decibels. Because decibels operate on a logarithmic scale, a 10 decibel drop represents roughly half the perceived acoustic energy, meaning the Whynter operates with substantially lower physical sound vibration into the room during compressor cycles. In terms of control electronics, both models offer Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control integration, which allow remote scheduling but add potential control board failure points over time. The TCL includes auto swing louvers to assist air distribution, whereas the Whynter uses fixed louver direction. Warranty coverage separates these units where it counts most. TCL offers a standard 1-year warranty on both the entire unit and the compressor. Whynter provides a 1-year full warranty alongside 3 years of dedicated coverage on the sealed compressor motor, protecting the most expensive failure point in the refrigeration loop. Current retail pricing places the TCL H5P44W around $299.99, while the Whynter ARC-1230WN sells for approximately $677.99. Despite the higher upfront investment, the Whynter ARC-1230WN is the better overall purchase. Its dual hose architecture eliminates negative pressure infiltration. Its 12.3 EER rating lowers ongoing electrical operating costs. Its 42.5 decibel sound rating provides a quieter environment, and its 3-year compressor warranty provides superior long-term hardware backing.